Thank you, sir, for your insightful address. Your words have truly enriched our celebration and inspired us all.
Yes, Ashit, I agree. Sir, what a privilege it was to hear you speak. Your message has deeply resonated with all of us present here today.
Get ready for Young Smiles. It is a mirror of our school's dynamic spirit. In this, Volume 22, Issue 3, we are excited to highlight the engaging activities, enlightening seminars, and exciting competitions. A space dedicated to showcasing the vibrant spirit, incredible talent, and collective achievements of our students and school.
I request our director, sir, along with our guest, to officially release the Young Smiles.
Thank you, sirs. The year 1947 gave birth to a dream of freedom, a dream of self-reliance, a dream of a nation where every voice matters. Today, we stand here 79 years later. We are living that dream. But for this dream to truly flourish, we must ask ourselves, does it also include a healthy body and a healthy mind?
To share in English his thoughts on fitness, we invite Prakashite Moinuddin to explore this vital question.
Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, Namaste and Happy Independence Day to everyone. Today, as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, I would like to talk about something that is very important for all of us. Fitness and its benefits and how it connects with the lives of our great freedom fighters. As we know, freedom did not come easy. It was earned through the dedication, discipline, and strong mental and physical fitness of thousands of brave heroes like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more. They faced brutal tortures, prison sentences, long marches, and still never gave up. What kept them going was their unshakable spirit and strong bodies. Let's take the example of Bhagat Singh, who at the age of just 23 had the mental strength to sacrifice his life for the country. Or Subhash Chandra Bose, who built the Indian National Army. He trained himself and others with the military discipline, proving us how important fitness was in the fight for freedom. Even Mahatma Gandhi, though not muscular, walked hundreds of kilometers during the Dandi March and other movements, showing us the power of endurance and simple living. Fitness is not just about having six-pack abs or muscles. It's about having the strength, focus, and energy to face the challenges, just like our freedom fighters did. Today, we may not be fighting for freedom, but we are fighting against stress, junk food, diseases, and laziness. And the best weapon we have is fitness. So this Independence Day, let us promise ourselves to be fit and strong, not just for ourselves but for our nation, as a healthy youth builds healthy nation. As our freedom fighters gave us freedom, let us gift our nation a youth of responsible and fit and responsible citizens. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
We will be treated to a melodious song performance by our talented students.
की धरती रानी चिलमिल एक है, आहा एक है, ओ एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। अपनी मंजिल एक है, आहा एक है, ओ एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। मस्जिद गुरुद्वारे भी है यहाँ और मस्जिद भी है यहाँ। कोई जाता है दरियाल कहीं, मल्ला भी कहीं है जा। गुरुद्वारे भी है यहाँ और मस्जिद भी है यहाँ। कोई जाता है दरियाल कहीं, मल्ला भी कहीं है जा। एक ही अपना राम है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है, एक ही अल्लाह ताला है। रंग बिरंगे दीपक है हम, लेकिन जगमग एक है, आहा एक है, ओ एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं। अपनी मंजिल एक है, आहा एक है, ओ एक है। हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम सब भारतीय हैं।
Thank you, dear friends. The melody added a touch of elegance to our celebration.
Now, we have our young stars who will present a heartwarming fancy dress performance, paying tribute to the brave leaders and symbols that make our nation great. Among them, we also have a character of Bharat Mata. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Thank you, little friends, for that vibrant presentation.
Now, it's time for a yoga demonstration, Jaladeepi. Let's appreciate the effort and skill of our students in presenting this important aspect of health. I now call upon Tejashree to take over the stage.
Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, and to the self. Yoga demonstrations undergoes the importance of maintaining both physical and mental well-being by Sarvangasana. Om Chakrasana. G. Purna Shalabhasana. A. Titibhasana. Relax. let's appreciate the effort and skills of our students in presenting Jaladevi in front of us. Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Vrukshasana, Tadasana, Tiryak Tadasana, Udaragarasana. Turn left, Virabhadrasana, Ardhachandrasana, Vrishtasana, Vajrasana, Bhadrasana, Supta Vajrasana, Shavasana, Uttana Padasana, Pavanamuktasana, Setubandhasana, Jatara Parivartanasana, Sarvangasana, Ekapada Sarvangasana, Padma Sarvangasana, Halasana, Turning pose, Makarasana, Parvatasana, Dandasana, Navasana, Bhujangasana, Turning pose, come straight, Padmasana, Udita Padmasana, Vakrasana, Ardhamasyandrasana, Gomukasana, Akarana Dhanurasana, Virasana, Purvuttanasana, Utkatasana, Garudasana, Ardhachakrasana, Natavarasana, Pranamasana. Relax. Practicing yoga every day helps in relaxing the body and mind. Thank you. Om Namah.
Thank you, friends, for emphasizing the importance of physical well-being and inner harmony. Following the yoga demonstration, please enjoy a dynamic dance performance by our students. Please give a big hand to the dancers as they are ready to tap their feet on the stage.
Vande Mataram!
जय जय मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम। जननी जन्मभूमि मात भारती मातरम, जय जय मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम। नई चेतना नई स्फूर्ति की प्राणदायिनी, महाशक्ति धारिणी सत्य संगिनी लोकतंत्रिनी। धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू, धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू। राष्ट्र नायिका देश देवता पावन भूमि तू। मातरम, जय जय मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम। सागर से तेरी ममता गहरी है, माँ हिमगिरी से तेरी शान ऊंची है। सागर से तेरी ममता गहरी है, माँ हिमगिरी से तेरी शान ऊंची है। जल थल तरुवन में तू मूर्तिमान, माँ जन गण मन कण में तू विद्यमान। ऊंच नीच का भेद नहीं माँ, सब में तू ही तू। सुजलाम सुफलाम शस्य श्यामलाम सृष्टि नायिका तू। धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू, धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू। राष्ट्र नायिका देश देवता पावन भूमि तू। मातरम, जय जय मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम। भारती तू मेरा आधार है, माँ तुझसे ही मेरी पहचान है। भारती तू मेरा आधार है, माँ तुझसे ही मेरी पहचान है। तन मन धन सब तुझको अर्पण है, माँ शक्ति भक्ति मुक्ति तृप्ति का तू प्रांगण है। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई तेरी कोख के फूल, कोटि कोटि तुझको प्रणाम माँ हम सब तेरी धूल। धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू, धर्म भूमि तू, कर्म भूमि तू। राष्ट्र नायिका देश देवता पावन भूमि तू। मातरम, जय जय मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम। मातरम, मातरम, जय जय मातरम, 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 जय जय मातरम, 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 जय जय मातरम।
जय मातरम।
Thank you, friends, for the graceful dance performance. Your energy and creativity truly brought the celebration to life. Now, we take the initiative not only to celebrate our nation's freedom, but also the incredible talent of our students who brought great honor to our school by winning prizes in dance competitions organized by the Heritage Foundation of Art and Culture, Kalakriti Conclave Awards, and Indian Karaoke Singers Club, Indian International Dance Fest.
Please give a huge round of applause as we call the winners onto the stage to receive their prizes. I request Director Sir and Lieutenant Colonel Sinha to come onto the stage and give the prizes away to the winners. Next, we have Deeta Nurja of grade 7, who got the second rank in Bharatnatyam, and she also won the first rank in Junior Star category in India International Dance Fest for Bharatnatyam. Please give her a huge round of applause. Up next, we have KLK Sai Joshika of grade 9, who got the 5th rank under Kuchipudi. Up next, we have G. Vishwajita of grade 4, who got 3rd rank in Kuchipudi. Please give her a huge round of applause. Next, we have M. Vaishnavi of grade 7, who got the 2nd rank in Kuchipudi. Please give her a huge round of applause. Last but not the least, we have Yugeshna Varshini of grade 7, who got the 1st rank under Kuchipudi. Let's give her a huge round of applause.
Congratulations, friends, and thank you, sirs. We would now like to request our Director Sir to address the gathering and share a few words.
Dear children, teachers, and parents, happy Independence Day to you all. Now I congratulate all the young school leaders for 25-26 who has been elected as in the investiture ceremony. I congratulate them all and take care of their duties well. And now I thank first of all Mr. Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Sinha to come all over from Mumbai to us to deliver his speeches to our children and motivate children. Actually, the children should understand that we play, we enjoy, we go movies, we dance, we eat good food and everything. But the border life is very much very difficult. Unless our borders are safe, we cannot enjoy. SD also, when he was sharing with the other children, he says unless there is peace in the country, there is no progress in the country. So, peace is very important, and I think it's the responsibility of every citizen of us, and in future all the children, it is your responsibility. That's why we call the army officers for this Independence Day or August 15th. Last year, this August 15th also we have called this Major General P.V. Rao, and now this is Lieutenant Colonel Sinha. Sharing their views with you is very important, and how difficult it is. Yesterday also, Mr. Sinha also got a bullet into his throat and neck, and he was bedridden for 6 months, and he has killed many terrorists in the Kashmir operations. It's great for us to spare his valuable time for us, and I think his talk and it will be a great inspiration and a memorable talk for you all. And now you are in the luckiest part of the generation, which is that the India is a young generation, and which is now you are in the part of it. I think next 30-40 years, India will not become old. After that, as young children are not having children, I think it may become old. It depends on all how the situation is. But I think you are in the luckiest part of the generation. But you will be the happiest. The opportunities, as the GDP is growing at 6% currently, you will be having a number of opportunities. I think if you take the opportunities and lead in the world in that, especially I think there is, as also I spoke to our leaders, that you are building up, we enjoy McDonald's, Coca-Cola, KFC and other brands of American brands or some other brands. But if you create a brand of our India, and I think if it should be followed by the world, it is a great patriotic feel of the country. You should be able to build brands which can other world can follow us. It should be the idea of yours, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Before we conclude, we will present memento to our distinguished guest as a token of our appreciation. I request Director Sir to please present the memento to the guest, Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Sinha.
Thank you, sirs. We are approaching the end of our program. Let us now hear some words of thanks from Rohita.
Namaste. As we bring today's program to a close, it is my honor to extend a heartfelt gratitude on behalf of Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan to everyone who made this day a resounding success. First and foremost, I specially thank our esteemed chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Sir. Sir, your presence and inspiring words have made this occasion truly special. We are deeply grateful for your service and for taking the time to celebrate with us. I thank our incredible Prakashites. Your performance in the ground activities from the wonder-struck pyramids to the impressive Malkam were outstanding. Your speeches, songs, fancy dress, yoga and dance performances on stage were a testament to your hard work and talent. A special note of thanks to the members of our school band, whose music added such a wonderful rhythm to our celebrations. Thank you to our dedicated teachers and staff. Your tireless efforts in preparing the students and coordinating this entire event are truly commendable. I would also like to thank the parents for joining us today. We hope you had a memorable time. Finally, we thank our respected Director Sir for his guidance and leadership. Thank you. Now let us all stand for the national anthem.
Namaskar, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Sinha. Today, on the occasion of Independence Day of our country, Bharat, 2025, it was indeed an honor and a pleasure to be invited to this beautiful town, Visakhapatnam, and beautiful people around here. And on this beautiful and wonderful and very, very great institution of knowledge and wisdom, Sri Prakash School here in Visakhapatnam. The entire ceremony was such very well organized, orchestrated, and the children gave a very splendid performance. My compliments to each and every one of them. Not only those children who performed, but I could also see that there are a lot of hard work that people that have gone before that. People who are behind the scenes, they must have been teachers, masters, guides. They all must have worked very hard. I'm sure the parents also must have chipped in. My compliments to each and every one of them. Every staff member of the school, right from the PN and the sweeper to the headmaster and the director, Mr. Vashu. Compliments to each and every one of them. And the vibe of its school feels so good, so pious here, that they are doing a very, very noble job, and the nobility can be felt in the entire air. And I'm really, very happy to have come here and attended such a very good function. The Independence Day celebration couldn't have been better than this for me. It is one of the best that I've ever been through, and for that I'm really grateful to have got this opportunity. My best wishes to each and every one of them, to all the students, that they do very good, contribute to the country, society and their families, and to the school, that it keeps progressing like this only and keep producing very good citizens for our country, society and the families. To the students of Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan, I have a message for you, that you need to understand that you are one of the greatest generations that is born into the history of this country. You belong to that generation. And the times ahead in this destiny of this country, that when its country begins to progress and move on from here to grow beyond where it is and to grow one of the most developed nations of this world, the challenge is going to be tough, it is going to be difficult. You need to get prepared. You must consider yourself fortunate that you're born at this time in the period of this history of this country, that when this country will grow and lead the entire world, it will be doing so on your shoulders. That with that responsibility, sense of responsibility, you must prepare yourself and also prepare everybody else around you, your entire generation. You come out as leaders and good citizens of our country and the families and the society. That is my message to you. Keep working hard, keep learning good things, fight the evil, support the good people, follow the path of dharma. That is one message that I have for the students of Sri Prakash Vidyaniketan. Jai Hind, Jai Maa Bharati.